night, the quiet winds blow from afar, carrying sorrow that drifts from the past. The fragrance still lingers in the air, the scent of flowers long departed. Now where is the owner of that sweet fragrance? The blossoms once cherished have faded away. I remain here waiting, watching the road. No matter how deep and endless the night becomes, I sing my longing, praying you return to me. I sing my longing,